Folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here. We're out here at the Avon Park field today. We're going to take up the new yellow e-flite T28 Trojan, the 1.1 meter, the yellow one. We're going to take her up and have a little bit of fun with her. I've flown this plane fairly recently, so I don't think I need to do a range test. So okay, we got right, we got left, we got up, we got down, we got right, we got left. All right, let's get her turned around here. Take her down here. And the wind is kind of at my, out the back of my east here. Kind of off, like that is due east and the wind is more off from that direction. So we're gonna just kind of take off that way. Nice scale takeoff. I'm running a 4S, a little bit up trim. A 4S Smart Lipo in her. Just cruising around, can't talk today, man. Cruising along at about a little less than half throttle. Yeah, like I said, I haven't touched my throttle yet. This is one of those models that if you have her trimmed right, you can feel very comfortable with her right off the bat. I'll come in nice slow. Kind of at a snail's pace right now. How nice and stable that is. The Trojan, the whole Trojan line, the aircraft itself, an inherently great, stable flying platform. She really is. All right, down to about quarter thrust. Staying away from them dang old power lines. They're evil. Evil power lines. Whoa, wind is kicking around, as you can see. All right, let's take her up full speed here. Yeah. Great flying, very stable. Get on my rudder here.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Whoa. All right. Actually, the wind has shifted on me right now. All right, we still got just a hair under 3 minutes. You know, wind is almost cross breeze right now, cross runway. So, and that just seems to be the way things work out for me when I go flying. Rarely do I give a due east or a due west a wind, but that's okay. As a pilot, you have to be able to adapt to the conditions. All right. Some nice axial rolls there. Sorry, I'm a little far away, I know. But see how nice and low we can safely get her here. Oh, that's a good looking bird. Into the wind now. So, there. Nice knife edge here. Not much of one, but a little bit of one.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Okay, let's go ahead and practice another landing here. Thing about practicing landings is, really honestly, that's the one skill that you should strive to be the most proficient at. There we go. And that's why I think people have so much fun with touch and goes. A 3-point turn instead of a 4-point turn. But yeah, that's really, but though taking off and landing should be the skills that you're the most proficient in, because that's what you should be practicing the most. Whoa. Yeah, well, a little recovery there on the end. Let's see if we can't do better there. What happened there is I wasn't maintaining enough speed, and should have bring her in a little more level. But I'm also fighting an awful cross breeze that's gusty. So, all right, let's see if we can't make a better approach here. Straighten my rudder up, straighten her with a runway here. Yeah, okay. Let's see how she does on the grass. Does just fine. I don't know if I told you, but I'm running a 2200 4S smart LiPo battery in her. So, get her lined up for the runway. Power's off. Big flare at the end. Oh, beautiful. I think we're going to end it there. That was a wonderful landing. All right, folks, there you go. That is the new e-flite Trojan 1.1 meter. I think it's the T28B. I believe. Now, this also was the same airframe as the Park Zone version that was out a few years ago. And e-flite came out with it again, basically the same plane, and now they've released it in this yellow with entirely with an upgraded motor, upgraded ESC, new receiver. It is now 3S or 4S compatible. The other two were awesome planes and did a wonderful job. I still have the little the red and white one, the traditional Trojan colors, and it's a great flyer too. It's 3-cell. This is 3 or 4, so you have that nice wide envelope. But this plane will fly slow, fast. You know, when they say wide envelope, they mean it'll fly really well slow, really well fast. You can be scale, you can fly at scale, you can also do aerobatics with it. It's just a good all-around plane. But there you go, folks. Thank you so much for watching. She does have a tendency to seem like she's flies a little tail heavy. I can't say that what I've done. I max out my deflection. I've got my battery as far forward on a 4-cell as you could possibly get it without cutting foam. And let me see if I can't give you, okay, what you want to hear?
Motor off.
You want to hear that before you touch a model, or you want to make sure. But I don't know if you can tell, but I have it set for just a slight bit of down elevator mix, maybe just a slight bit. And let me see if I can show the clevis settings, or the clevis. I don't know if this is gonna, well, you can't tell how far out, but if you can kind of see it, I have it set to just slightly go down just a little bit, just a slight, maybe a 7 or 8 degree down. I hope you can see it on the camera. If you're wondering what that is, that's Blenderm tape. I put that on there on that hinge as a safety measure. But yeah, just a slight down is the way I have it, and y'all saw me fly it. So if you want to copy my my settings, like I say, that's just maybe 7% down, just a slight degree down from level, and she flies fine like that. All right, folks, well, thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all. And I'm sorry, folks, but that is an ugly pilot. Bye-bye.